Welcome to Raphael Math Room. Only 10% can solve this exponential equation c times c times c plus c equal 10. Then what's the value of c? So we can write now c times c times c plus c equal 10. Cube plus c minus 10 equal 0. Then we can get, so we can write c cube plus c minus 10 is like bracket is plus 2 equal 0. Then we can write c cube minus 8 plus c minus 2 equal 0. Then it will look like c cube minus 2 to the power cube plus c minus 2 equal 0. Just we are trying to make a exponential formula in here. The formula is like eq minus bq equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In this exponential equation we are trying to use in here. So guys, if are you still in here and watching my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. I am new in here and I am a math lover. Please subscribe and support me, please. Thank you. So now we can use like c minus 2 bracket c square plus 2c plus 4 plus c minus 2 equal 0. Then we can get c minus 2 first bracket and second bracket c square plus 2c plus 4 bracket plus c minus 2 equal 0. Then it will look like c minus 2 bracket c square plus 2c plus 4 plus 1 bracket equal 0. Then we will write c minus 2 bracket c square plus 2c plus 5 equal 0. So we have to use like either c minus 2 equal 0 or c square plus 2c plus 5 equal 0. So from here we can get a result of c is equal to, then we are now have to use this equation is look like we have to say a equal 1, b equal 2 and c equal 5. Then we will use x equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, like minus 2 plus minus root over 4 minus bracket 4 into 1 into 5 divided by 2 times 1. Then we will get like minus 2 plus minus 4 I divided by 2. So if we get common, then we'll get like this minus 2 common, then we'll get 1 plus minus 2 I by 2. Then this will be cancel out. Then we can write, we get x1 like 2 minus 1 plus 2y divided by 2. Then minus 1 plus 2y and x2 will be 2 times 1 minus 2i divided by 2. These two will cancel out, and we can get like 1 minus 2i. So the answer will be like c equal minus 2 is correct, and x1 is this and this. Hope you are guys enjoy this solve. Thank you.